In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Airtable. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to Airtable's website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're in, choose the base that contains the information you're working on, then open the specific table where the record lives. Think of the base as the project, the table as a sheet inside that project, and records as individual rows you can comment on. Next, pick the record you want to discuss. Click it once to highlight it, then open the Record Details panel. You can do this by clicking the expand icon that appears on the left of the record, or by double-clicking the row. The Details panel gives you a focused view of that single item, including fields, attachments, and collaboration tools. Inside the Details panel, look for the Comments or Activity section. Depending on your view and permissions, it may appear as a tab or a panel near the bottom or right side. This is the running conversation tied to that record, so every message you add will stay with this item, keeping context in one place. Click into the comment box and type your message. Be clear and specific. Reference field names, numbers, or deadlines so your teammates know exactly what you're pointing to. If it helps, paste links or attach relevant files already associated with the record so everything stays connected. When you want someone's attention, use an @mention. Type the @ symbol and start entering their name. Airtable will suggest collaborators you can choose from. Mentions trigger a notification for that person and make it easy for them to jump back to this exact record. Just remember, people can only see comments on records they have access to. When your message looks good, press Enter to post it, or click the Post button if you prefer. If you need a new line instead of posting, use Shift+Enter to keep writing. Finally, confirm that your comment appears in the activity thread. You should see it listed with your name and a timestamp, along with any mentions you included. This running history helps your team track decisions and follow-ups without leaving the record. And that's it. By commenting directly on records, you keep conversations organized, searchable, and right where the work happens.